What up, you guys? Tune in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. Welcome back. Hey, so today we're gonna be doing a deep fried turkey. But first I'm gonna be letting the turkey brine for 24 hours. So I was in the commissary and I seen this, they was putting together the little turkey section aisle. And then I was like, I'm gonna check out this brine. It's called the Spicy Islands Turkey Brine Kit. I never tried this before, but let's see what flavors are in here. It got like black pepper, rosemary, bay leaves, onion, garlic, sugar, and orange peelings. So basically how you would make up your own turkey brine. So let's go ahead and... They come with a bag in case you don't have a big old pot, but I'm gonna just put mine in the big pot. Look at that, look what that look like. It smells amazing though. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour it in a big old pot and we're not gonna let it boil, we just gonna let it simmer and let it, everything just get combined out in there with the water, mixed up together. We're gonna let it simmer for about 10 minutes. So it's pretty warmed up now. That's about 10 minutes. We don't want to boil all the flavor out of the herbs. So we'll go ahead and cut it off. Alright, so we got our turkey all washed up and clean up. So by the way, I did decide to use the bag because it came with it. So I have let my brine get nice and cool. So we're gonna go ahead and pour it in the bag. So I got about a 16-pound turkey. So I'm gonna let it brine for 16 hours, just like it says. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the fridge. Let it brine for a couple hours. Let it brine for 16 hours. You guys stay tuned. All right, what up, you guys? So we back. We gonna let our turkey brine for 24 hours. I went ahead and gave it an extra 6 hours because I had the time to spare. If you got the time to spare, just do it. So I'm about to get ready to take it out the brine and wash it off. And then we're gonna come back and hit it with a little season. You guys stay tuned. All right, guys, so I'm back. I know patted the turkey dry. So I'm gonna be using the same brand that I use of the turkey brine. I'm gonna use the Spicy Island Turkey Rare. I'll be sure to let you guys know in the future how it is. So it's the savory herb. So I'm gonna just put I got some vegetable oil and just put it over the turkey so it can help the season base and stick to it. Now doesn't that already look amazing? Wait till we get it out that grease, man. I can't wait. So I'm about to go get my grease preheated up. You guys stay tuned and wait for your boy. Alright, so our grease is warmed up at 350. So we'll go on ahead and start putting it in there slowly. Alright, now we'll let it cook for 40 minutes. Stay tuned, you guys. Alright, y'all, so we 40 minutes in. She's nice and done. About to go ahead and pull it out, let it get a rest. You guys stay tuned for this. And get it in the house. Alright, so y'all, here go our final product, man. It is a beauty. Hey, sorry about that last one. It was my first time ever frying a turkey. But this one, I think I did a magnificent job. So right here, hey, shout out to my girl, Prissy P. Hey, you say you eat the, no y'all don't know what that was sticking out, but you say you eat the chicken necks. What about these turkey necks? It is amazing, Prissy P. Hey, Prissy P and Ray Sean. Hey, I'm taking out, hey, I got a challenge for y'all. How about y'all try to eat a whole smoked turkey? Y'all let me know when y'all ready to do it. Just, hey, hit your boy up. Hey, I'd like to thank y'all for checking out your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. Be sure to go over to my Instagram and check me out at Southern Smoke Boss. I'd like to thank you guys for coming out today. Peace out.